Hey, what's going on? So I just finished up a training for some of our members, and I had something I thought of that I wanted to go over with you as well. And, it's all about, how do you get patients to commit to your services and, get started on treatment? And it's really not so much about the dentistry. It's more so about having your patients feel understood. You have to jump into their world. Before you expect them to jump into your world, you need to jump into their world. The bridge from their world to your world is interest and understanding. They need to feel understood. They need to feel like, hey, Dr. Ganatra, he gets me, right? Do your patients feel that way? And the three best ways to do that is, the first one, you got to ask questions. Ask them questions and sincerely be interested in what they're saying. Ask questions and listen and think, okay, wow, this is what John's saying. Ask another question that pertains to what they just answered with. So that way you're diving deeper into their world. It doesn't have to be about dentistry. You know why they came into the practice. You know they came in to get the crown done. You know they're coming in for an exam. You know they're coming in because they need help with their teeth. But the difference between them staying with you and starting treatment with you is them feeling like, hey, he or she gets me. They get it. And when you ask questions, that's the first step. The second step is empathize. Empathize with their struggles, where they've been through, what they're going through right now, some of their fears. Empathize, realize that. And also, as you empathize with those, celebrate their wins. If they start talking to you about some of the progress they've had in their life or what they've done, that's not just a or I get it. That's a win. You need to celebrate those wins with them. And third, retrace their history. Retrace what they've gone through. Reenact almost. Say, hey, wow, you moved from Florida and then you came here. Wow, so how was that experience moving from there to there? Because as soon as you do that, you get them talking about their history of what they've gone through in a positive light. Guess what? You are now really into their world. They're going to feel like you are there. You have an insight into their background, into what they've been through, and that's powerful. That's powerful. That's how you get patients to feel like they're connected to you, because you sincerely care. You're there for them. And then, you know what? If there's any dentistry you have to suggest, anything they need to get done, they're more likely to getting started on things. They're more likely to saying, hey, doc, I trust you. Let's get moving on this, because you're in their world. That's the whole key. Get into their world first before you expect them to jump on board and commit to your world. And the bridge to that is interest and understanding. Making them feel understood is more important than them understanding you. Does that make sense? I hope this one helped. I'll try to shoot more of these little mini videos for you. I'll see you in the next one. As always, have an incredible day. Live inspired.